A sea? Yes!
Bunny, why are you cheering? I'm about to turn you into an ice cube!
Because I just figured out how to rescue a bird. Robo-hop! Hop! And away!
I can't aim my blizzard blaster. That's bad. Please stop hopping.
Not until I get this! A nice, delicious sea! I like you too, Birdie.
Oh, you like each other? How caring. How warm. I just can't take it. Oh, wait. I didn't mean to touch down my blizzard blaster. Ice up! Ice up! Not the sun!